Now for the fourth method, we have to compare the iterative methods for root finding and with comments on reliability of convergence. So what are the methods first? The methods we have are bisection method, false position method, Newton-Raphson method, secant method, and fixed point iteration method. Now what are the formulas for iterative formulas? That is the value of m. For bisection method, m is equals to a plus b by 2. For false position, it will be m is equals to a f of b minus b f of a upon f of a minus f of b. Pardon me, f of b minus f of a. For Newton-Raphson method, m is equals to b minus f of b upon f dash of b. For secant method's formula is same as that of false position method. However, false position method has the condition that f of a multiplied by f of b should be less than 0. However, secant method does not have any such conditions. So secant method can easily be m is equals to a f of b minus b f of a upon f of b minus f of a. And fixed point iteration method is the value of x is equals to g of x. That is any value. For example, if an equation is x square minus x minus 2 is equals to 0, then x is equals to x square minus 2. This will be, the g of x will be x square minus 2 in this way. And now what is the order of convergence? The order of convergence of bisection method is that it gains 1 bit per iteration. For false position method, it is 1.618. For Newton-Raphson method, it is 2. For Newton-Raphson method, it is the highest as it is guaranteed. To converge if it starts near the root. And for secant of convergence will be 1.62. And for fixed point iteration method, it will be 1. Now for convergence, bisection method is slow but guaranteed to converge. First position method is also guaranteed to converge. Now in Newton-Raphson method, it is sensitive to the starting value. That is, if the value of b is closer and closer to the root, then we will find the root very quickly. The closer will be the value of m, the faster we will be able to find the root. And keep in mind, the best value of finding the root will be if the value of f of m is equals to 0. As soon as the value of f of m is equals to 0, that means that the value of m on which f of m is 0 will be the root. For secant method, convergence is again not guaranteed if it does not start near the root. As it does not have the condition of f of a into f of b is less than 0, we cannot absolutely guarantee convergence if it does not start near the root. And for a fixed position method, it is easy to program. That is, it is one of the easiest to go through with it, as you can see, but it does not have any guarantee of convergence. The values of a and b, which are the two points in which which can contain m, it does not, and so therefore it does not have the values of f of a multiplied by f of b is less than 0. It does not have that particular condition. Then that is why convergence is again not guaranteed.